welcome back to Dailylight channel. This is Lane. Today we'd like to bring more clarification on the recent update that NYSC just dropped concerning the mobilization of new graduates. So it is very essential that you understand the nitty-gritty of this topic so as to know what to be next. First point is that if you want to read the full article that captures all these updates, kindly check the link below in the video description. Having said that, we would love to inform you that this implementation of the NERD, which is Nigerian Education Reposition and Data Bank, implementation of NERD clearance policy by NYSC will start 2025 part 6, meaning that the implementation starts immediately. And what does this mean? You do not have to worry if you have been mobilized. For instance, if you already have your call-up number and you are yet to receive your call-up letter, this might not affect you at all. And if you still want to know the reason behind federal government implementing this policy, you can always check the link in the video description likewise. Having said that, those that will be affected by this new policy are the new graduates that are just passing out of school. They are yet to have their name uploaded to NYSC portal. Therefore, as long as you are submitting your project as an undergraduate, you are expected to also connect your NERD, Nigerian Education Reposition and Data Bank clearance key, just as you are doing your final year clearance as an undergraduate. That is how you will do your NERD clearance, and you will be given the key from your school. Your school will be the one in the position to do all the things on your behalf. You are just to collect your clearance key, just as you collect your statement of result. So you do not have to worry. If you have already collected a statement of result, you have been able to register for NYSC. Next, you need to do what? You need to be at peace. But one thing left. For those that are yet to go to camp, but you have already received your call-up number, it will be advisable that you reach out to your institution, confirm from their end